Welcome to my complete Gjirokaster travel guide where I'll show you everything you need to know before visiting this magical stone city in southern Albania. Whether you're planning a road trip through Albania travel, visiting nearby Saranda, Albania, or simply watching for inspiration, this Gjirokaster vlog will take you through the best things to see, eat, and experience in Gjirokaster, which is also known as Gjirokastra. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you need more information, feel free to ask me as a comment below. Gjirokastra, also called the City of Stone, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in southern Albania known for its well-preserved Ottoman-era architecture and dramatic hillside setting. The city is perched above the Drino Valley and offers panoramic views, cobbled streets, and slate-roofed houses that feel frozen in time. For travelers, Gjirokastra is a historical gem where you can explore ancient castles, ethnographic museums, and the birthplace of Albania's former dictator Enver Hoxha. We reached Gjirokaster as part of our 12-day Balkan road trip after renting a car in Skopje, which gave us the flexibility to explore Albania's interior freely. The nearest international airport is in Ioannina, Greece, about 1.5 hours away, or you can also fly into Tirana and drive south. Roads are generally well paved, and the journey through mountain landscapes makes the drive part of the adventure. Gjirokaster's old town is mostly walkable, but be prepared for steep climbs and cobbled alleys. Bring comfortable shoes. For exploring nearby sites like the Blue Eye or Antigonia Archaeological Park, renting a car is ideal, though local taxis are also available for short trips. While public buses exist, they're limited in schedule, and we didn't come across any bike or scooter rentals during our stay. The local currency is Albanian lek, and while some places accept euros, it's better to carry cash for small vendors. The official language is Albanian, but many younger locals understand basic English or Italian, especially in tourist spots. One interesting thing to note is the dual spelling. Both Gjirokastra and Gjirokaster are correct, with the first being more traditional and the latter more modern or simplified in tourism materials. Start your visit with Gjirokaster Castle, the city's crown jewel perched above the old town. Walk its fortress walls, explore the military museum, and enjoy sweeping views of the Drino Valley. Just beside it stands the clock tower, which may not be open to climb but still serves as an iconic backdrop for stunning sunset photos. Wandering through Gjirokaster Old Bazaar is a must. It's full of traditional artisan shops, Ottoman charm, and inviting cafes where you can sip Albanian coffee. One of my favorite stops was Skenduli House, a beautifully preserved Ottoman mansion where the guide explained every detail of traditional Albanian family life. Nearby, the Zekate house impressed us with its twin towers and panoramic balconies. Don't miss the painted ceilings inside. The Ethnographic Museum, located in Enver Hoxha's former family home, offers deeper context into the city's cultural past and is worth a slow visit. Downhill, the Bazaar Mosque Memi Bay Mosque is a peaceful and historical spot to admire Islamic architecture dating back to the 18th century. Just outside town, Ali Pasha's Bridge is a scenic photo stop tucked into the hills, and it's a quiet place to reflect away from the crowds. One of the most intriguing places was the Cold War Tunnel, an eerie underground bunker complex that reveals Albania's communist paranoia. Our guided tour added a lot to the experience. Before you leave, hike up to the Gjirokaster Obelisk, a symbolic monument dedicated to education, where the panoramic view over the rooftops and valley is simply breathtaking. Finally, take a day trip to the Blue Eye Spring Syri Kaltër, about 45 minutes away, where turquoise waters bubble up from a natural spring. It's perfect for a swim or a picnic in nature. One of the best ways to experience the city is simply walking through its old quarters. Bring good shoes, as the stone streets are steep but incredibly atmospheric. Don't miss the chance to explore a massive hilltop fortress that overlooks the city. It's a place where history and incredible views come together. Spend time browsing handmade goods and traditional crafts. Local artists often sell unique items that make perfect souvenirs. If you're up for a short walk, there's a historic stone bridge just outside the main area that's perfect for photos and a quiet escape. We also recommend taking a day trip to a nearby Ksamil known for turquoise water and white sand beaches. It's like stepping into the Maldives without leaving the Balkans. Be sure to try local dishes like slow-cooked lamb or stuffed vegetables at family-run restaurants that showcase real Albanian flavors. The town is full of old mansions with ornate windows and stone roofs, and you can easily lose track of time admiring the architectural details. Sit at a traditional coffee house and enjoy a strong brew while watching the world pass by. It's one of the best ways to soak in local culture. For a memorable night, book a room in a boutique guest house where you'll sleep under carved wooden ceilings and wake up to homemade breakfast. And finally, if you have an extra day, head south to a bustling seaside city Saranda where you can enjoy a lively promenade, fresh seafood, and modern Albanian urban life. Gjirokaster offers a deep dive into traditional Albanian lifestyle, where stone-built homes, family-run businesses, and hospitality play a central role. The majority of locals are Muslim, but the city embraces a secular atmosphere with strong cultural identity rooted in Ottoman and Balkan traditions. When interacting with locals, always greet with a smile, be respectful when photographing people or homes, and understand that hospitality is often genuine. Don't be surprised if you're invited in for coffee. Spring, April, June, and early autumn, September, October are ideal for visiting, with mild weather perfect for exploring on foot and fewer crowds. Summer brings festivals and sunny days, but temperatures can get quite hot, especially in July and August. Winter is quiet and peaceful, but many attractions may have limited hours, so it's best for those seeking a slower, more introspective travel experience. Compared to major European destinations like Paris or Rome, Gjirokaster is very affordable, and even cheaper than many Balkan cities like Dubrovnik or Kotor. Most local meals cost around 5 to 8 euros, boutique accommodations start from 25 to 40 euros per night, and entrance fees to attractions are modest. The only thing that may feel pricier is transportation if you're not renting a car, as public transport is limited. Absolutely, there are plenty of budget guest houses and hostels that offer authentic stays in historical homes for under 30 euros. Traditional street food like bayak or koft is delicious and costs just a couple of euros, and many of the town's architectural and cultural sites are free to admire. Walking around the old town, exploring the narrow alleyways, and enjoying scenic viewpoints are perfect low-cost ways to experience the city. In Gjirokastra, casual and comfortable clothing is ideal for exploring the steep cobbled streets, especially in warmer months. Lightweight clothes and good walking shoes are a must. During visits to religious sites like mosques, modest attire is appreciated, so pack a scarf or wear long trousers and covered shoulders. Winters can be chilly, so layering is essential, while spring and autumn are mild and perfect for breathable outfits and a light jacket. The heart of Gjirokastra is the Old Town, a UNESCO-listed area filled with Ottoman-era houses, charming stone streets, and artisan shops. This is where most tourist attractions are located, including the fortress, museums, and traditional guest houses. Wandering this district is the best way to absorb the city's atmosphere, with every corner offering something historic or scenic. Traditional dishes like chifchi rice balls, stuffed peppers, and lamb cooked in clay pots are must-tries, along with Balkan favorites like burek and cevapi. Street food is affordable and tasty, and you'll find small taverns offering hearty portions with homemade flavor. While vegan options are limited, some places do offer vegetable-based dishes, and fine dining restaurants serve Albanian cuisine with modern twists. Locally made souvenirs like hand-woven rugs, copper crafts, olive oil, and homemade raki make meaningful gifts. The Old Bazaar is the best place to shop, where you can browse everything from embroidered textiles to antique-style jewelry. Bargaining is not very common, but politely asking for a small discount when buying multiple items is acceptable and sometimes welcomed. The best place to stay is in the Old Town, where boutique hotels and restored Ottoman houses offer both comfort and charm within walking distance of main attractions. There are also great Airbnb options and small guest houses that provide a more local experience, often with homemade breakfasts and panoramic terraces. While luxury stays are limited, the boutique accommodations here feel authentic, cozy, and often very affordable compared to Western European standards. Nightlife in Gjirokaster is low-key and atmospheric, with traditional taverns and outdoor cafes offering live folk music and local wine. A few relaxed bars around the old town serve cocktails and cold beers in beautiful courtyard settings. While it's not a party city, the evening vibe is perfect for unwinding after a day of sightseeing. You can explore the main sites in one full day, but staying 2 nights gives you enough time to soak in the atmosphere and take a nearby day trip. If you enjoy slow travel and history, a 3-day stay allows for deeper exploration and visits to less touristy corners. The town's charm really comes alive when you give it time to reveal itself beyond the highlights. Gjirokastra is generally very safe, even for solo travelers and women, with low crime rates and welcoming locals. Tourist scams are almost non-existent, though it's wise to confirm taxi prices or private tour costs in advance. In case of an emergency, the national emergency number in Albania is 112, and basic medical services are available in the city. Absolutely, Gjirokaster is one of the most authentic and visually striking towns in the Balkans, rich with culture, history, and local life. It's a perfect stop for those seeking a unique destination away from mainstream tourist crowds. Whether you're a photographer, a history lover, or a slow traveler, Gjirokaster offers an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching my Gjirokaster travel guide with everything you need to know before visiting this incredible destination full of history, views, and authentic culture. If you enjoyed this Gjirokaster vlog and want more content like this from Albania travel or nearby places like Saranda, Albania, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more. If you still have questions about planning your trip, feel free to ask me anything in the comments. I'm happy to help.